In this video, we'll discuss about banking. First, we'll have to know what is banking. What is a bank? A bank is basically an institution that is used to run a business either by deposits or by lending money. তাহলে ব্যাংকিং কি জিনিস? ব্যাংকিং is an institute. আমরা বলতে পারি ব্যাংকিং একটা ইনস্টিটিউট which is used to run a business. একটা ব্যবসাকে রান করছে, a business or an organization either through deposits or by lending money. What does it means? In bank, people may deposit the money or may take loans or by lending the money. That's how a business runs. So bank is an institute. We can say that it is an institute that basically runs a business through lending or deposition. Bank account অনেক রকম হতে পারে. It may be savings account, it may be a fixed deposit account, it may be current account, or it may be recurring deposit account. In this video, we will discuss about the recurring deposit account or cumulative deposit account. Recurring. Basically, in this type of account, people used to deposit the money on a monthly way. That is, each month, প্রত্যেক মাসে কিছু কিছু করে টাকা জমা দেয়. They deposit money for each month, successive months, and after the expiry of the debt, that is up to which he wants to deposit the money, there must be some terms. Terms means a term. এখানে term কথাটার মানে কি? এখানে term মানে duration, the tenure or the period of time up to which he should deposit the money. And as soon as the time expires, we said the amount has matured, and that is the amount. We can also say that it is the maturity value. Okay, so at first we'll have to see the interest. We have to find the interest, then the maturity amount. So the formula of the interest means I equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. এই ভ্যালুটা এই ফর্মুলাটা কোথা থেকে আসছে? এই ফর্মুলাটা আসছে? আমরা কিন্তু সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট করেছি. আমরা এর আগে কিন্তু সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট করেছি. সিম্পল ইন্টারেস্ট এখানে এসআই এর ফর্মুলা কি ছিল? P into T into R by 100. Okay, where P stands for P means the principal, T means time, that is in years, and R means the rate of interest, okay. So this is the formula of interest. So just see here, in case of the interest from recurring deposit amount, P R by 100, it is common. So why in case of T we are taking n into n plus 1 by 2 into 12? This is the time in case of recurring deposit account. Why we are taking this? N means the time in month. N equals to time in month. What we know? That the person or the institute or the organization or the business, whatever, they deposit the money in monthly basis. That is, we can say 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that is successive month. First month, second month, third month, and dot up to the 10-year period. That is the n number of month. Okay, the sum of this is n into n plus 1 whole by 2. This is the formula of AP, arithmetic progression. This is a series. We will study about this in a chapter of class 10. I'm just deriving the formula that from where we can find the n into n plus 1 by 2 into 12. So okay, so this is done. So why 12? We are expressing the time in year. okay, in year, that is month according to year. We express month into year by dividing it with 12. That's why we are using 12. Okay, so this is the formula of the interest, that is P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100, where P means the principal, R means the rate of interest, and N means the number of months. Okay, now the maturity value or the amount is also known as the maturity value or the maturity amount, whatever, that is Pn plus I. Why Pn? That is principal, that the money deposited, into the number of month it has been deposited. P means the principal, that is the amount deposited, and N means the number of months it is deposited, plus I, and I means this formula. So this is how we can solve a recurring deposit or the banking numericals. Okay, now we will show some examples. For example, Katrina opened a recurring deposit account with a nationalized bank for a period of 2 years. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 6% per annum and the monthly installment is rupees 1000, find the interest earned in 2 years, and number 2, the matured value. So what are the given? Number 1, time 2 years equals to 24 months. Therefore N equals to 24. Pays an interest at the rate of 6%, that is R equals to 6% per annum, and P, that is the principal, that is rupees 1000. So we know the principal, the time, and the rate of interest. So first we have to find out the interest. The formula of interest, we know that I equals to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now just put the value. P means 1000, N means 24, into n plus 1, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25, by 2 into 12 into R means 6, that is 6 by 100. Okay, now just cancel this. 4, 2, that is rupees 1500. This is the interest. So first the interest in 2 years is rupees 1500. Now the matured value, MV means Pn plus I. Pn means that is 1000 into 24 plus 1500, that is 24000 plus 1500, that is 00562, that is rupees 26500. So the time is 2 years, means 24 months. Principal is rupees 1000. Rate of interest is 6%. Therefore I means I is equal to P into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 by R by 100. So just put the value. P means 1000, n means 24, n plus 1, that is 24 plus 1, that is 25, 2 into 12, and just we have cancelled that. So this is how we can find the interest and the maturity value. The next one, there is a slight calculation mistake, that is it will be 5. Okay, I have written 6 by mistake. Okay, so the maturity value is 25500, that is 25,500. Okay, the next one. In the second example, we can see Shobana has a cumulative deposit account in State Bank of India. She deposits rupees 500 per month for a period of 4 years. If at the time of maturity she gets rupees 28410, find the rate of interest. Then what is given? First, we know P, that principal, equals to rupees 500. Time 4 years equals to 48 months equals to N, and we know the maturity value, that is MV, equals to rupees 28410. So we have to find the rate of interest. Okay, now first I equals to P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, P means 500. 500 into 48 into 49, 48 plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Okay, now we can cancel out. 5, 4, 2. Okay, that is 10. That is 490 R. Okay, now maturity value, that is MV. MV equals to PN plus I. PN plus I. MV is given, that is 28410 equals to P means 500 into 48. Okay, plus I means 490 R. That is 28410 equals to 24000 plus 490 R. Okay, that is 28410 minus 24000 equals to 490 R. Therefore 24000 is 0144, that is 4410. Okay, that is 4410 equals to 490 R. Okay, now 4410 by 490 equals to R. Okay, so 9, just see, 49 into 9, that is 18. 9 for the 36, that is 44. Okay, that is 8. Sorry, 9. Tale R equals to 9% per annum. So given principal, that is 500, time 4 years, that means 48 months, that is equals to N, and maturity value is given rupees 28410. We have to find out the rate of interest. Therefore we know the formula, I equals to P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. We have substituted all the values that are given to us, and now the I, we have expressed I in terms of R, since R is not given. Now MV, that is maturity value, equals to PN plus I, that is PN means principal into number of months plus I. Now we have just solved that R equals to 9%. Now we will shift towards the third type of sum, that is the third example. Mr. Brito deposit a certain sum of money each month in a recurring deposit account of the bank. If the rate of interest is 8% per annum, Mr. Brito gets rupees 8088 from the bank after 3 years. Find the value of its monthly installment. Here given rate of interest is given, R equals to 8% per annum. Maturity value is given, that is rupees 8088, and time, that is 3 years, equals to 36 months. Okay, these are given, so we have to find out P. Now first the interest, that is I equals to P into N into n plus 1 by 2 into 12 into r by 100. That is p. In case of we don't know p, that is p into n means 36. 36 into 37, that is 36 plus 1, that is 37, by 2 into 12 into r means 8, that is 8 by 100. Okay, now 3, 4, okay, 25. 37 into 3, that is 1, 1, 1, p by 25. So we are representing I in terms of p, since p is not known to us. Now MV, maturity value, we know that maturity value equals to Pn plus I. Okay, maturity value means rupees 8088. So we will substitute the value, that is 8088 equals to P into 36 plus 111 P by 25. Okay, that is 8088 equals to 36P plus 111P by 25. 8088 equals to 25. That is 900P plus 111P, that is 8088 equals to 1011P by 25. Now 8088 into 25 by 1011 equals to P. 8 into 25, that is P equals to 200. So the principal or the monthly installment is rupees 200. So what we have done, at first the formula of interest, from formula of interest we expressed the interest in terms of P, since P is not given to us. Now in the formula of maturity value, we know the formula, that is Pn plus I, that is P into 36, since 36 months, that is N, plus substituting the value of I from this equation. Now just while solving we get the monthly installment, that is rupees 200 per month. Now we will shift to the last example. Here it is given that Bina has a cumulative deposit account of rupees 400 per month at 10% per annum simple interest. If she gets rupees 30100 at the time of maturity, find the total time for which the account was held. That means it is given that the maturity amount is rupees 30100, the rate of interest is 10%, and nothing more is given. Rate of interest is given, and time we have to find out the time, and principal, that is monthly installment, is given rupees 400. That means given P equals to rupees 400, R equals to 10%, and maturity value equals to rupees 30100. So we have to find out the time. That is N. Okay. Now again the formula of interest, I means P into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R by 100. Now we'll put the values. P means 400 into N plus 1 by 2 into 12 into R means 10, that is 10 by 100. Now we'll cancel this. 0 will get cancelled out. 0 0. Okay, that is 40, 20, 5, that is 5n into n plus 1 by 3. This is I. So we are expressing I in terms of n. Okay, now maturity value, that is MV. We know MV equals to Pn plus I. MV means 30100 equals to P means 400, N plus I means 5n into n plus 1 whole by 3. Okay, Now 30100 equals to 400n plus 5n square plus 5n whole by 3. Now the LCM, that is 30100 equals to 1200n plus 5n square plus 5n. Now just multiplying, we get 0030, that is 9. 90300 equals to 5n square plus 1205n. Now 5n square plus 1205n minus 90300 equals to 0. We are taking 5 common, that is n square plus 241n minus 18060, that is done. If we transfer 5, that is 0 by 5, it will be 0. Therefore n square plus 241n minus 18060 equals to 0. Now we have to find out the middle term breaking. This is a quadratic equation. We have to find out the middle term breaking. How we know? In lower classes we have done factorization by using middle term breaking. So I am factorizing it over here. 18060 divided by 2, that is 9030. Again dividing by 2, that is 4515. Now dividing with 3, that is 1505. Now dividing with 5, 301. Now 5 3s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 30 2s are 60. So can we write 301 minus 60, that is equals to 241. So this is the middle term breaking, that is 301 minus of 60, that is n square plus 241 means 301 minus 60 n minus 18060 equals to 0. Now n square plus 301n minus 60n minus 18060 equals to 0. So we are taking n common. I can rub this one, I can rub this factorization, and I am shifting this equation over here. That is n, if I am taking n common, that is n plus 301 minus 60 into n plus 301 equals to 0. Therefore n plus 301 into n minus 60 equals to 0. That is either n plus 301 equals to 0, therefore n equals to minus of 301, or n minus 60 equals to 0, or n equals to 60. So time cannot be negative, time cannot be negative, so n equals to 60, n equals to 60. Okay, n minus 60 equals to 0, or I am just repeating this. Okay, so n will be 60 since time cannot be negative. Therefore the time duration or the tenure is 60 months equals to 5 years. So this is the time for which the account was held. Okay, so we have completed all the types, that is to find the time, to find the rate of interest, to find the principal, that is the installment, and to find the interest and maturity value. All the types of these exercise, the sums of this exercise have been completed in this video. So thank you.